So, what are you doing?
Tightening valve cover.
Why?
Just put silicone on it so it doesn't leak.
Alright, do you get the back one?
Doing that now.
Damn, you're like a portable mechanic. I could put you in the glove box when I'm done. How much is it for a year's subscription?
I don't want to say because I know your subscribers want.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I can literally fit anywhere in this shit.
Yeah, you can. One time he was in the side box with his feet hanging out, and they were just swinging.
Yeah.
We gotta record that one day, so they can see how fun it is. I heard something break. What happened?
Huh?
I heard something snap.
No, it's not.
I heard.
It's fine. It'll make it.
No, it won't.
We'll go through like a gallon or two of oil, but it'll be fine.
So yeah, we gotta button some things up, put the turbo and stuff back together, because we had to go through it to find out what the problem was. Yeah, got a mess here. There's a truck stop parked next to a prime truck.
Prime ink, baby. Prime ink, baby.
Prime ink. That's where I started trucking. Yeah.
Anybody want to guess where I started trucking?
Where?
Video.
All right, we're gonna button everything up. We'll give you an update how she's running.